Hello everyone, this is Miyapriti from How to Electronics. A couple of weeks ago, we got a mystery box from MakerFabs and it was found to be a smartwatch. I mean, an open source smartwatch using designed ESP32 Wi-Fi module and color TFT round display. The Open Smartwatch is an open source project created by Pulse 3D Things. It consists of hardware modules, 3D printable cases, and a custom operating system to build smartwatches with the goal that they can be assembled, repaired, and modified by everyone. So in this video, we will unbox and show you the design, specifications, ability of this watch, and we will also show how to operate this smartwatch and use it for a smart application. This video is sponsored by Altium. Altium Designer is the world's most trusted PCB design system for the last 35 years. Using Altium Designer, you can create a schematic, create a PCB, generate cover files, and also make a bill of materials. You can create PCB designs with an intuitive and powerful interface that connects you to every aspect of electronics design process. If you want to get started with a free trial, click on the first link in the description. Welcome back again. So this is the smartwatch with Lite Edition. I got this box from MakerFabs as they are authorized to produce the latest version of Open Smartwatch by the designer. You can purchase this open source smartwatch from MakerFabs. It will cost you around $37 only, which includes a complete package including casing as well. To check this out, click on the link in the description. Now let me unbox and show you everything. So inside the box, there is a perfectly packed watch similar to a professional watch you might have purchased in past. The watch part has 3D printed casing with white color. The strap is not 3D printed but made up of rubber material, I guess. So everything looks good for electronics engineer to perform many experiments using this smartwatch. There is a micro USB cable slot for charging the device using a micro USB cable. And there are 4 buttons, 2 on each side. And this button basically handles all the operations required to run and use the smartwatch. It looks so good. You can use this as a wristwatch. To charge the battery, you can simply use this micro USB cable. When the charging cable is plugged in, the charging sign appears on the display screen as seen here. Let me show the watch operations now. First of all, you can use this as an analog watch. You can click on the top right button to start the timer. This timer displays elapsed time in an hour, minute, and second format. You can click the bottom right button to pause the timer. It also has an option to continue the paused timer or simply reset it. Because of this, you can use this as a digital watch as well. To calibrate the time, you need to connect to the Wi-Fi, which can be done by pressing the top right button. So the time has been updated. Now you may disconnect the Wi-Fi to save the battery. The watch also has a BME400 accelerometer plus pedometer sensor, which is programmed for level checking. So these are the features of this smartwatch Lite Edition. Now let me remove everything and show you what is inside the watch. You can remove these 4 screws and check the internal parts. I can see a lithium-ion battery here and also a PCB board with so many components mounted on it. Removing the upper layer will give access to the display unit, and by removing the casing completely, the complete part can be seen. The PCB board is powered by this battery. The battery is lithium-ion type with a capacity of 450 mAh. On the board, there is a TTZO ESP32 module with a ceramic antenna. It supports Wi-Fi of 2.4 GHz and has a BLE chip 4.2. It operates at 240 MHz frequency and has a RAM of 320 KB. As seen here, it has an RTC chip ICDS3231, which gives time information as a real-time clock. It also features many more active and passive components. And in order to charge the lithium-ion battery, it is embedded with Battery Management System IC. The 4 push buttons are connected to GPIO pins of ESP32 to manage the device. The PCB board is designed using KiCad here and has a complete circular PCB along with the display. A green LED on the PCB will light up when a USB is plugged for charging. Alright, here are some images of the smartwatch designed by the official developer. I guess you will like one of the products from here. This is the light edition of open source smartwatch. The advanced edition has GPS inbuilt. We will update you once we receive the advanced edition. For more details, visit the MakerFabs link. Thank you so much for watching.